Hey everybody, it's Chris Bystead here at Guarantee RV in Junction City. You know, many times people are asking, boy, do you have a trailer that is double axle and light enough to pull, because all I can pull is about 5,000 pounds, and I want it to be good quality. Well, right here, I'm going to show it to you. This is made by Coachmen. It is the Apex Nano. Very good quality trailer, really neat on the inside. And this one's actually got an outdoor kitchen. I can show you a peek of it. It's a little close, but I'll show it to you. And if you take a quick look, there's a place for a camp stove, a light, a fridge, a drawer, just a nice little outdoor kitchen, and the door makes an awning for you. So when you're standing underneath it, you won't get any rain on you. We also have a big, beautiful outdoor awning that lights up on the outside, and outdoor speakers, so you can have a whole party out here. Listen to your music, make some food, and just have a great time camping with your fam. Come on in, let me show you this one. So, just a really simple trailer. It's got everything that you need. I mean, check out, you've got overhead space right up here. You've got cabinet space on both sides, or closet space here where you can hang things. Really nice bed, long enough to sleep adults very comfortably. Storage underneath. A little front window so you can look out in the nighttime. If something's stirring out there and you need to just roll over and look outside, you can. It's got a really nice dinette here. You can seat 4 people easily. It's in a slide out. Your kitchen is totally adequate. You've got your sink, 2-burner stove, a microwave. This is really just meant for getting away for a weekend and being able to just have a lot of fun. You put plenty of food in the fridge and freezer. Look how big this is and how much storage there is for just a small little trailer that's lightweight and easy to tow. People love these. You're going to see that there's also some nice pantry space off to the side here. And boy, look at this big shower. You got a lot of room in the bathroom. You can actually place quite a bit of items inside of the cabinets as well. They're very deep. And it comes with the air conditioner. Everything inside and out is LED ready. There's a place where you can put a TV over by the bedroom area that you can see from the dinette, and we can help you out with that. We've got several of these floor plans, different ones and different sizes that Apex carries. They're all really fantastic trailers, and they're very affordable and good quality. We'd love to show you this one or any of them. Feel free to give me a call. My name's Chris Bystead. My number is 541-636-7878.